Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome to our channel today. You're welcome back to another video. If this is your first time of seeing these amazing beautiful faces, I'm Stephanie and she's Cami. You're welcome to this space. And to our returning subscribers, hey our lovelies, welcome back to the channel. Say hi mama. Yeah, so today we are going to be making our hair, right mama? Are we going to be making our hair today?
Yeah.
We're going to be making our hair today. Hi lovelies, so sorry I had to start making voiceover from here because while editing the video I noticed there was music playing at the background, fear of copyright. So yeah, I'm just trying to explain to you guys that we're going to be making African thread hairstyle today. Yeah, I saw this hairstyle from a YouTuber's page and I decided to try it out for my daughter as well. So we're going to be using Brazilian wool for this African thread hairstyle. This hairstyle has a twist, to be honest with you, but it's very beautiful and a very nice protective hairstyle for kids. Okay, so let's get right into making our hair. So this is water, just water in a spray bottle. I'm going to be spraying it on our hair just to help me comb our hair easily, like just to detangle our hair for her. We washed it this morning and we did not comb it, so the water will just help me detangle our hair. So when that is done, I will go ahead to cut our hair into two, just like into two equal parts. Okay, so I'll be able to work on this one and then come back to work on the other one. I'm using shine and jam just to make the line neater. It's not like I'm applying the gel to hold the hair. No, I'm just using it to shine the hair, like to make a very fine line. So her favorite music came up and then she decided to give us some moves. Okay, so I'm done cutting the hair into two. I'll just go over now to use rubber band to hold one side of the hair while we start working on the other side. Okay, so also I'm going to cut the other side, the other half part into two as well. Then I will go over to start threading our Brazilian wool. Yeah. This is the way we do it. This is the way African does it, right? Those days our mothers, this is the way they do it. Then don't mind me, I'm just trying to roll out the Brazilian wool so I'll be able to it will be easier for us to take it, count the number we want to use for the hair. Okay, I don't know if that explanation makes sense, but yeah, you see the way I'm doing it, that is it. So when that is done, I'll just start counting out the one I want, and then I'll start cutting out the hair in section. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I'm going to be using 6 for this particular hair. This is our first try, but I later noticed it was big, then I reduced in the other one. So for this 6, I will keep 2 aside first, then I'll use 4 to make a base for the hair. Just like the way I'm doing it now, you're going to see it. I'm going to give a braid base for the hair first underneath it. I don't know how to explain it, but just like this, I'll make a little braid, not that much, then I'll use the other 2 strands to start threading it. Okay, this one didn't really show that much because my phone stopped recording, but I'm still going to do it in the second one and you guys will see how I did it. Okay, it's very simple, very easy hairstyle to make for a toddler. Okay, but just that when you're doing it, you make sure you don't make it tight, because you know this thread hair is usually very tight and painful. But please just try as much as possible to make it in a way that it won't be that tight for a baby. Okay, because she's still a baby. So yeah, this is me just using the other 2 strands to start threading. But I told you that part missed. I'm going to do it again so you guys will see. Okay, yeah. So like I told you guys before, I did the other one and then I noticed the size of the hair was big. I don't really want it bulky, so I'm trying as much as possible to use less wool for it. Okay, so just like I did before, I used 3 now cross it to make a braid base for it. You guys should just watch, you will see how I'm doing it. Okay, let me keep quiet and allow you guys to see it yourself. So for this second part, I'm not going to do the braid base here. I'll just start over with 2 strands and start threading immediately. Okay, the first one was just to give it a base because it's the beginning of the hair. Then after I thread for some time, I'm going to bring the other side of the hair and add to this particular one. I'm braiding, I'm threading, and then I'll keep threading that way. Okay, just watch to understand what I am saying. You will just see it yourself. Okay. So yeah, that is just it. We'll just continue crossing it that way. That's a crisscross. Okay. So we just keep crossing it that way. This is really African thread hairstyle, but with a twist. Okay, so we just keep crossing it that way. Just like I said before, please, while making this hair, always make sure you try as much as possible not to pull it that much, please. This hair is very painful on a normal day, like the straight normal African thread hairstyle. It's painful. Don't more of crisscrossing it. Okay, just try to make sure it's not tight. Okay, yeah, so that's just it. We just keep doing that. Just like you're seeing now, I'll just keep crisscrossing it, but the end part of this hair has a twist. Like the way you're going to gather everything together is another problem. Should I say a problem? It's not really a problem though, but it has its own twist on its own. Okay, so just keep watching to see how I did that. If you notice this side now, this side has 4, so I'm making the last for this side. Okay, then when I'm done doing that, I'm going to show you guys how to do the other side. The other side is 5, meaning you have 5 cotton in the other side, while this side has 4. So the trick here is you just take one to the other side, one to the other side, then the remaining one from the other side. I don't know if my explanation is even making sense, but you guys are going to see how I did it anyways. But I'm just trying to like throw more light on it. Maybe if it's confusing or something, I don't know. But yeah, I'm just so happy we are making this hair. To be honest, my daughter doesn't allow me make her hair. Okay, So this is what I'm saying. You see the other one is remaining 2, so I'll just cross the other one here. Then the remaining 2, I will just bring the other 2 together and make it 1, just like I'm doing. Sorry, my memory got filled again and it stopped recording, but definitely I'm going to show you guys in the other side. Okay, so please don't go anywhere. Let's keep doing this here. Okay, let's keep watching. Okay, so if you watch up until this time and then you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please, now what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscription button. Okay, turn on your post notification and give this video a thumbs up as well, please. We are not forcing, we are begging. Okay, so yeah, I'm done with that side. I'm just trying to tell you guys that when I'm done, I'll look for a way to roll everything to tie them up, but we'll get to that part. At this point, I am very, very, very tired. I was very tired, but we try to give you guys a little move as we continue. So yeah, this is what we'll go. We're going to be making the exact same thing in the other side of the hair. Okay, same thing I did. I'll C-section the hair into 2, use shine and jam to make a fine line, just to shine our line and make it more clearer. Okay, a bit more neater. So I think neater is the best word to use. Then I will go over to crossing my Brazilian wool to start the braid. We are also doing the braid base for this side as well. So let me just keep quiet and allow you guys to continue watching. This side is very explanatory. One of our Welches fell off, so she's trying to get that one. A good shepherd, one sheep will never get lost. We must find it. Don't mind me, Uja. I got that and then I gave it to her. You see, this girl ate, like, all through this video. You guys should just watch. Her mouth was just whining all through this video. There was no point her mouth was at a place. Anyway, so you guys should just continue watching and see what I did. Okay. So yeah, this is where the explanation will come again. Just like you see here, this is the last one for this side. Okay, so it's just same thing. I'll cross it again. This side is 4, but the other part is 5. Okay, so once you cross one to the other side, one to the other side, it will still be remaining 1. Okay, so that one, what I will do now is it will still remain 2, like side by side. We'll now have 2 and then 1 at the end. Just see what I am doing now. It explains itself better. Then here I'll just get the one from that side, the one from the other side, making it 2. I'll then start threading down. Okay, this is just like packing, bringing everything together. Okay, does that make sense? But I hope you guys understand what I just said. Yeah, just to end the hair. Yeah. So yeah, I'll just thread everything down. Just thread down, and then I'll start tying them up. Okay, so what I just did now was to bring the one from the other side. I'll look for something. How am I even going to explain this? This is just to tie everything up. We are done with the hair. Okay, just watch what I am doing, you will understand. This is just to like end the hair. Does that even make sense? Does that even make sense? Seriously, like, I don't know why I hate doing voiceovers. It's so annoying. Like, sometimes it just makes me so tense these days. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is just me trying to tie up the hair to make sure that it doesn't start losing. Okay, so I brought the one from that side to this side. Then I'll look for a hair thread I'm going to tie it to. Then after which I will cut out the remaining thread. Then I'll just use one strand as well to continue tying to make sure everything gets strong. Everything gets tied up very well so it won't lose at some point. Okay, yeah, that's just it. And then my daughter is dragging to carry her cousin that just came around. You can imagine. So yeah, we finally gave her a baby to carry. She was just shouting baby baby, and decided to give her to carry. And yeah, this is our hairstyle. Okay, while she was carrying her cousin, I decided to just go over to tie up the other side of the hair as well. And then this is what we got. Okay, very beautiful. I know my explanation wasn't that good, but please just watch the hair carefully. You'll get to understand what we did. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy watching, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us how beautiful our hair is. Okay, and then we'll see you in our next video. Bye.